Hi, I'm David Goldshaw, President of Oshaw Dental Productions. Here in Canada, I'm looking after the technical education and demonstrations training for the Yates Motloid, Chicago-based company, manufacturer of some fine products. Yates Motloid produces a fine line of products. The Plasticlear and Plastipac products are there for curing through denture processing. The Plasticlear product is a sheet that's 4 inches by 4 inches. It needs to be placed into a small amount of tepid water to start with. And so the sheet itself goes into the water. When it comes out, we would apply a small amount of stretching. It changes from 1.5 millimeters to 0.5 millimeter in thickness. And at that point then we can use it to apply down for final processing. The benefit of this is wrinkle-free and no need to use a liquid type of foil sealant. It's quick and easy and wonderful product to work with. The Plastipac product, however, is a sheet that's 5 inches by 5 inches, and this is used through our trial closure. So after we pack our acrylic-based material in, we then apply the sheet over and then place down the other half of our flask, trial close at that point, trim all the excess off after opening, and then final closure and, of course, processing.